Hello, you're watching The Market Bull. I'm Tyler Tully. Today I'm joined by the Managing Director of Castle Minerals, Steve Stone. Steve, thank you for joining us.
It's a pleasure, Tyler.
You've advanced your exploration at your Flagship Kambale Project. Can you tell us why is graphite such a good commodity right now?
Well, it's the best commodity to be in at the moment because it makes up most of the battery that goes into your electric vehicle, and about 30 to 50 kilograms goes into an EV at the moment, and the forecasts are there's going to be about 100 million more EVs on the road between now and 2030 alone. So that's a lot of graphite that's going to be needed to go into those batteries. And every graphite kilo, the kilo of graphite that goes into the battery, you have to mine at least 3 kilograms to get it to that stage. So it's a fantastic commodity to be in, and there's just not enough supply there at the moment to satisfy that demand. And in particular, the Americans, the US, the EU are desperate to source supply of graphite and make their own batteries so they don't have to rely on China. So it's a very important commodity, a critical mineral we call it, and it's really good that we have a project that's not in China.
Can you tell us a little bit about the Kambale project?
Yeah, sure. Well, it's in Ghana, and Ghana's got a long history of mining. It's got tremendous infrastructure, and we already have enough tonnes to underpin a commercial operation, but we know it's going to get bigger, and quite soon we're going to be putting out an announcement that tonnage will be increased, and it's also at a very good grade of 9%. That's very good in the graphite world. It comes to surface, so it can be easily mined, and we've been doing some test work, so we know that we can separate the graphite from the rock that hosts it, so that's all really good. So it ticks all the boxes, and we're going to be using hydropower, green power to run all the operations. So yes, it's a really good operation, and it's, as I just said, it's strategically located to service the US and the EU markets.
Finally, what else do Castle investors have to look forward to this year?
Well, there's a lot. There's obviously very soon the update to our resource. We're just about to kick off a scoping study, and we're just doing some more test work that will prove its capability to put in a battery. That's just happening this week in Germany. We've got a number of other projects in our portfolio, cover critical minerals, gold, base metals. We've incubated those from a very sort of early stage of exploration. Now we're at a stage where we're campaigning the farming out of those to other companies to share the financial and technical burden. So there'll be a lot of news flow coming from that. So it's a really good time to be invested in Castle. There's a lot of value compressed into a very modest market capitalisation.
Steve, thank you for joining us at The Market Bull.
My pleasure.